5.
Army 188.
It's another way to do this.
Right 230, Army
VNAV.
0818.
It's the V path, and at the risk of getting yelled at, we can wait a little while to start our descent.
Approach South 623
Or I'll tell you what, we're going down in the pitch
Southwest
mode.
623 clumps, approach altimeter.
Let's just go down at a lesser rate so that we catch the V path. We're supposed to get on a minimum of 500 feet a minute.
Army 188, what's your approach request into courthouse?
We can get away with this. I just want to show how this works. So we've got V path armed.
And Army 188 to verify you
also have the weather
note
is
at
lit.
Courthouse, and is this going to be a full stop?
We've put something less than where we are
Thanks, guys.
in the altitude box. We're in the pitch mode going down at 350 feet. It's going to allow the path to catch when the magenta caret centers. If we look at the flight plan, vertical profile,
Piper PA46, descend to maintain 3,000.
VS to the target is 18.
Right, 3,000 for Piper
And
46.
the VS required is 16. It's been up as the caret centers. When the caret centers, the V path
Army 188
goes green.
direct amnio.
And now the V path
Direct amnio, Army 0818.
will keep these two numbers matched. So it's not a big deal for a simple descent like this, but certainly worthy of knowing how to do it. Now here comes visible moisture. I'd be careful. I wouldn't be taking power away unless you're in the yellow arc.
I was.
Well, okay, so then consider the brakes first, just so you don't have to mess with power. If you're close enough and you want to start bringing power away, the problem with that is you get...
Gotta put it back in.
Don't go any lower than 23 inches. You're probably still going to need the brakes anyway. Alternate air is open. That's where I was going with that, because we have visible moisture in our future. Folks, that alternate air should be open regardless of outside air temperature, because we know the scientists in us tells us there's going to be adiabatic cooling on the low pressure side of the filter. That when water goes through that filter and cools down, it could form ice, which could block the filter. It could also trail ice behind the filter pleats, which could break off
3,000.
and go through the turbocharger, which is the big threat.
4684.
The other threat is that the filter could get blocked and the engine could quit. So these are all concerns, and should be accommodating to the process, the procedure, in the presence of visible moisture.
Southwest 623, you guys on the
Open the dang alternate air. Don't close it until you're safely on the ground. And I realize it's very conservative, but
623, looks like you guys are about a 120 heading, maybe a
this is
130.
my strategy. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely.
101.
Train off it.